So guys, today we are having Ashka with us and she is one of our student for clinical science batch. So Ashka, what were your expectation before, joining the course and how was, after completing the course?
To be honest, I did not know anything about this particular course. When I was in my school, I was really struggling with programming and coding, and I did not really enjoy it that much. Like many of during my internships and everything, my professor did told me about this course, and they told me that it would be helpful if you want to go in a corporate world. If I come from family background, so it's a more clinical side, but what I'm more passionate about corporate life. Like I want to know about industry, business, and everything. So they told me that this course would be helpful to you, but I did not know that if I would really enjoy programming because I did not know like a small basic detail about programming. So I was like, how I'm gonna able to do it, and I don't know that how I'm gonna learn this thing particular and how it would be helpful in me to me in future. Visited many institutions, like there was other institution, and I took demo lecture, and I felt like, okay, if this is going to be the case, then I don't want to study this particular course. It's so boring, I cannot do it. Then my friend actually suggested you, and when I had first call with you, I did not know anything about SES. I did not know what it is and how it would be helpful to me. So when I talked with you, you really explained it so well that I understood, okay, how it would be helpful. And even our first lecture was about how it would be helpful to us, and all the introductory part. So that was really helpful for me, and I found it that okay, I'm going to enjoy it. And after completing, I really feel that it's gonna benefit me in the corporate life if I want to go forward for my masters or internship or any job in the corporate world.
So many people, Ashka, have this question, will I able to learn coding or not? Will I able to learn
Yes.
software or not? So are you having any exposure of coding or software before the training?
No, no. I did not have any exposure to it. This was my first coding course which I have did, and and it was really great that it was like the basic concept was, I felt like okay, this is so easy, I can understand. Like I am actually able to understand the codes and how do you write it and how do you perform the programming, all the steps. This was my first time learning the coding language.
So are you able to learn it successfully?
Yes, I did. I'm still struggling a bit, but I'm sure that I will go through the recorded lectures which we have online and all the materials which you have uploaded. I am sure that I would be able to. And if I have any doubts, you are there. I know that.
So overall, if you have to rate our training, since beginning, whatever sessions you have attended till now, how much you gonna rate out of 10?
So out of 10, I would be rating 9.5. Point 0.5 is for the group discussions, as I said. I wish we had more, but overall, it was great experience. I really like. I did not think that I would be able to learn it. I would be able to have even actually I would have any doubts in this thing because it doesn't go in my head. It was great. It was great. I did had doubt. They were able to solve it, and I know in future if I have it, you would be able to solve it. I know that.
Let's suppose, Ashka, if you have to recommend others to join this training or to join this training from Clinical Study Academy, this clinical side training, would you be recommending others?
Yes, I would be recommending because, as I said, I have explored my other options as well. I took demo lectures. It felt so boring that it was not even interactive. They kept saying things and not even asking questions. As a fresher or someone, you are not coming from a coding background, it's very important to learn basic steps first. If your basics are not like perfect, you won't be able to move towards advance, and that's the thing. I would recommend it.
So, guys, like this was the experience of Ashka, and the best part was I suddenly called today Ashka for having this feedback, and without thinking, she said yes to me. And now we are connected. We are recording this at 10 p.m. This shows like how some people are active, and guys, that's why I feel that we should be active in life, and this is what it's gonna bring the change in our life. Many times, what happen? We overthink. Even I used to do overthink for anything I have to do. I'll be overthinking. Even Aska, because I told you I'll be available from 7 to 8. I'm having a meeting. We'll be doing this feedback on 8 to 9, right? Between 8 to 9. But what happened? The meeting extended to 8:30 or 40. Thus thinking that should I call you or not because now it's 9. But then I thought, okay, let's execute it. Let's see.
Even
Ashka,
I was having second doubts because you said that we can have this tomorrow as well. But I felt like, okay, no, let it be. It's just, you don't have to prepare so much for this. It's just a feedback. Share whatever you felt.
So, guys, this was the experience, and I feel anywhere you are learning, just try your best, guys. If you are joining any institute, just try your best. Even if your experience is not good with them, your experience gonna turn into a good experience because things are not that much difficult. What you are thinking, it's gonna become easy once you give time. So that's all from my end. Ashka, thank you so much for your time. And at the
Thank
end,
you, sir.
those who are planning to learn or those who are thinking to make their career into this, will you give some suggestions to them?
Yes, sure. So basically, I just want them to know that if you have this, like this course is really amazing. It would help you in future. Definitely, I'm still not sure, but I know that during internships, if I go for internship, if I go for any job, this is a skill which one should acquire because it would help you in all, like data is everywhere now. You need to analyze it, sort it, and this is the skill which is required. You should have, apart from pharmacy field, you should also know about coding and how to manage the data during our clinical trials or research. So I would suggest them that they should know this is the basic course, and you should go through it even though you have no experience about coding.
So thank you so much, Aska, for your time. And
Thank you,
that's
sir.
all. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.